Hi, everybody. Thursday here, 1 degree outside, Weather Network, 1degreeoutside.com. I'm Matt Noyes. And, we're looking at a thunderstorm day today. Just a reminder, you can grab the app here on both the Apple Store and Google Play. On Google Play, it's hard to do the search for it. Just go to our homepage, 1degreeoutside.com. You'll see the link right at the top of the banner. All right, for most of us, the heat has peaked. Yesterday, Wednesday was the hottest day, but the humidity peaks today. Dew point temperatures, middle upper 60s, real humid feeling. Gives a good chance of showers. We've already had a couple around this morning, but the greatest chance of raindrops overall is about noon to 4 p.m. There'll be some scattered evening thunder after that, but it really will be more scattered than it is during that window. And then a big drop in humidity overnight with a great weekend. Overall, there could be a shower on Sunday. That'd be about the worst of it. But you can see the chance of severe weather today, marginal in the area in deep blue, which is a lot of central, southern, eastern New England, and then just kind of generic thunderstorms in northwestern New England, a possibility for us. High temperatures back into the 80s, but not necessarily the 90 that some of us are trying to push toward yesterday. So also the impact of showers and storms coming in will keep the temperature from going too far, right? Here's the forecast radar as we head to about 11 in the morning. So this is an earlier time frame than usual, right? By late morning, midday, you've already got showers, downpours, thunder coming in across western and into central New England. By the time we get to noon and 1 p.m., that's expanding into eastern New England. This is the map at 1 o'clock. There will be thunder and lightning in here. Remember, when thunder roars, go indoors, right? The other possibility is there may be a little bit of severe weather for damaging wind and a potential for some hail. I'd be more concerned about localized damaging wind out of that. And then as we get in toward about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, now you're in the backside of this kind of cluster of thunder that comes through. And once we get to, let's say, 5 to 7, you can see it's not totally done in terms of the fact there's still some isolated or widely scattered showers and thunderstorms around, but the biggest cluster is offshore by that point. A little bit more detail now on what's going on for high temperatures today. Most of us are breaking 80 degrees, maybe not in Connecticut because you get into that cluster of showers and thunder sooner, and it keeps down just how far your temperature can go, but it's going to be plenty soupy for you regardless. It is cooler on the Cape because of the wind coming out of the southwest. Central New England likely to find temperatures breaking 80 degrees, even with a lot of clouds. More clouds than sun overall for us today. And again, you saw in the radar forecast that a lot of this is going to be staying over southern New England, but not all of it, right? There were some pretty decent clusters that came through New Hampshire and Maine. And that's why I say, too, the app is great because you can actually look at if you do past plus future on the timeline of the radar, you can see what's been happening up till now and what's going to be coming in the next few hours. Northern New England, not quite as warm as yesterday was overall. The humidity's still up for you, though it does start to drop by late day and evening because this is a cold front that's coming through that's driving these showers and storms. So that cold front's going to change the air for us pretty decently. In our Canadian provinces, for those of you that are watching, obviously the closer you are to the ocean, the cooler you're going to be overall in the 60s versus being near 80 degrees. Then tonight, that new air spilling in, that drier air comes in, the dew point drops, the humidity level drops for us, and we'll hang out in the 60s. That's how things look for now. We'll take a look through the weekend coming up in our 1 Degree Outside Insights.